Goodness gracious, what an explosive start by Cameron Nas and Maxwell Dunn. What a great come from the outside, blocking one of the best skaters in the world in Scott Croxall. Cameron Nas way out in front. Luca Delago trailing at the moment, and this is pretty tight, but look at the pass by Scott Croxall on the inside of Max Dunn. Cam Nas well out in front. Scott Croxall looking to make a catch and a pass. It's not going to happen, though. Cam was just too focused and just too strong. Scott Croxall with a second place. And I'm not sure. I think it was Max Dunn who came across in third, so he's got himself a podium. And that is a fantastic job by all four of those guys. Luca Delago in the mix as well. And he's going to be not satisfied with a fourth place, but I tell you what, that is an amazing heat we saw right there. Cameron Nas just pulling it all together here in Marseille.
Cam just explodes out of the gate, so smooth. Oh man, you just can't get any better than that. Cam does it twice in a row, just dominates again in Marseille. Watch all four of these guys smoothly take the step down. Dunn goes down a little bit, and I think that's what costs him. Down on one knee, just loses a little speed, and you see Scott sneaking in on the inside here.